Hi everyone, so I have another Hobby Lobby haul. This is just all leftover stuff that I've collected over the last few trips, and I'm just trying to play catch up because I'm very behind on videos. So let's jump on in. This is from the party section, and it's for their babies, like gender reveal, like, you know, what will the baby be? But I just thought this was really cute because you could definitely take it apart and still make items. So it's a little banner. I was thinking I could get some paper and just go ahead and trace the shape a little bit smaller, lay that here, and then go ahead and build out. So I would have a bunch of extra little honeycomb shapes and then the little bees. You could add some little glitter. That's what I was thinking for the wings. Add some glitter, put some black glitter over the black part, and just make a cute little banner. That's my own style instead of being like, you know, a gender reveal type thing. And then they had the little invitations here for 50 cents. So I got two just because of the envelopes here. Like, look at how pretty those are. So just for the envelopes alone, I was like, yes, I will take two of those. So see, aren't those really pretty? So yeah, you do a little Bee pocket letter or a Bee little project, then you slip it into this little envelope. I think would be really, really pretty. This you could definitely still use too. So you can see it's got like gold foiling. So you could definitely like fussy cut this out and use it like a little ephemera piece. And then, you know, you could do the little buzz and just kind of cut off the little question mark there and use the little honey as a little ephemera piece. So you could definitely still cut these apart and use them for more than just their intention. So that was my idea for those anyways. And my store had a bunch of these invitations, but I only got the two because I figured I didn't need more than that. And there's 10 in each, so I figured that will have me all stocked up and set to go. Then the little like woodland creatures is also on clearance. So look, 24 cents. Aren't these cute? They're little favor boxes. How sweet are these? You got the little owl, the little hedgehog, and the little fox. Like, aren't those just so adorable? I thought those are really, really cute. You can, you know, package these up, put a little bit of like shred at the bottom, put like a little gift in there, and then just put it in a little bag and tie it off. So you see this way they put like the bag on the inside and then just use the box. I was thinking just, you know, pack it all up into a little baggie. So I thought that was really cute for a quarter. And I got these are little confetti pieces. They're 50 cents. But I thought these would be really cute. Make a little ATC cards. Make some little Twinchies. You got some little mushrooms, an acorn. You have the fox. You have the owl. You have the hedgehog in there. There's a couple little tiny leaves in there as well. So really, really cute little ephemera piece. I love that they're already all cut up and done. And you just go ahead and put those together. So got those. Then they had the little tattoos also for a quarter. So these are 24 pieces. So you have the fox, the hedgehog, and the little owl, and a squirrel. So I was thinking to go ahead and just put these on paper. I've used tattoos on paper before. If you guys have been with me for a while, I do have a tutorial on putting temporary tattoos on paper. You just use it like if you're putting it on your skin. Just make sure that you don't soak the paper too much with the water, you know. So yeah, just go ahead and slap it on. I was thinking about maybe putting on like some vellum so that way it stays that like see-through. So I'm gonna play around with that. Then they had in the party section as well, they had these little thank you cards, which I always try to have a few on hand. So these were 50 cents and you get 15. So these are little typewriters. There are the two different little designs right there. So I thought those were really cute. And then it does come with just some white little envelopes in there. And this one was 50 cents as well for 15. This one has more of that like little vintage look. And then the envelopes are actually different on this one. See, this one's actually really pretty. So I got those. I got a couple of 90% off items. So these came out to 99 cents. So I thought those were really, really cute. They're just little tea towels already all embroidered. So anything spring or summer is 90% off. So see, these are not marked. Like, these have the clearance tags and these don't. So just because they don't have the clearance tag it doesn't matter. They are still 90% off. So to figure that out, you just take the last little digit off and you see 99 cents. So yes, even though they're not marked, I think that's why people kind of overlook those, because they weren't with the little clearance tag, but they definitely are on clearance. You could just go take it up to the front and they'll go ahead and ring it up for you. This was part of that little Woodland creature party section. So 74 cents, and it's just a plain banner. You can see there's wood. This kind of looks like a mushroom to me. This kind of looks like the owl's feathers, and then it just kind of repeats down. This one in the green makes me think of a dragon. Wouldn't that be fun to do a little dragon banner? I think that would be really cute. So I picked that up so I could go ahead and alter and decorate. And I did get a little sign here, which I'm really excited to show Sunny. Look at it, it's a little piggy. And this was only $1.19. I thought that was a really, really good deal for the little piggy. And you could definitely add some decorations down here, which I think I will. I think I'm going to add some decorations down here to it, so that way it's just not so plain. So I got the little pig for Sunny. Let me check that bag. Okay, got everything out of that one. And then our next little bag here, over in the kids section, some of the Frozen stuff is on clearance. So this one was already ripped open, but I didn't mind. It looks like everything's still in there. So 99 cents. And it's just like a little sticker book. So I'm going to use these for when we go on our Disney cruise. So instead of doing that little like activity for it, I'm going to just use it for the stickers. So that way, when we go on our cruise, I can use some of this. See, like, this is really pretty. I can definitely use it and lay some photos on here. Like, it's a mat, you know? So, I thought this was really cute for that. See, lots of really good stickers in here for $1. Really, really good deal on that. And even this one, even though it's ripped, I can still try to tape the back and still use that as, like, a little scrapbook page. So, 99 cents for that one. And in the baking section, they have clearance as well. So there are these little treat bags. You get 50 for 74 cents. And these are clear and white. And I got some gold ones. Oh yeah, here they are. So there's some gold ones, 50 and 74 cents. And then I got another white there. I think I got another gold. Yes, I got another gold there. And this one was so cute. Again, this one was not marked with the little sticker, but it is spring. So this came out to 40 cents. And look, it's just a little gold bee. So it's a napkin ring. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm like, that is just so pretty. I need to take that with me, especially for 40 cents. So I don't know where I'm going to hang this up at. I'll have to find somewhere, but I love that it's in gold. And back to the party section. They had these polka dot bags for 50 cents. You get 24 pieces in there, and they are in the foil, which is really nice. And then go check out their tissue paper. A lot of their tissue paper are on clearance right now. So I got these for 37 cents. And look, it looks like old newspaper, just like vintage. So I thought this would be really pretty for like shabby chic projects or vintage projects. So what you could do with this tissue paper is get some Mod Podge, put it on like a plain white piece of paper, and then lay this on top and just Mod Podge it down. That would be so pretty. And then if you take some of your blending inks and just, you know, put it in there just to make it look like it's different colors, so it has like kind of texture and that old look to it, I think would be really, really pretty. So I got those. And then I got this one. It just reminded me of like Haunted Mansion wallpaper type, you know, how it like has these little swivelies right here. So I thought that would be really cute for maybe some like Halloween projects. And that one was 37 cents as well. And let's see. Oh, I found one random little sticker for 50 cents. That's Frozen. So it's just in white, so you can't even see it. I'm sure you can't see, like, there's her face and there's a horse's face, but it's a white decal. So I'm going to put that with our cruise stuff. And then the last couple of little items I'm going to share with you guys for this haul is, what is these called? Molds. So these are molds for cake making, for like the like fondant stuff. I can't think of the name. I think it's for fondant, right? Yeah, for fondant. So I was wondering if I can take some like clay, like air dry clay, and press it in here and then let that dry and then pull it out so that way it makes this texture right here. So it makes this little lace. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I have not tried it, but I figured I could go ahead and give it a shot. It's really fine and detailed. I don't know if the air dry clay will fit in there very nicely or not, but for 74 cents I figured, you know what, I can take them and give it a try and see how that works. And then I got the bigger ones as well. So this one is a lot bigger because this is intended for the larger cakes. But there is the design right there. Wouldn't this be so pretty if it works to put on paper? I think it'd be really, really pretty. So these larger ones were $1.24. And then there's this one. Look at all that little lacy detail. If you do resin, you can definitely use this for your resin. I think that would be so pretty. I don't do resin and I don't intend to get back into it. I did it for a little bit and I just stopped, and it wasn't my favorite craft at all. It was very expensive and not my favorite thing to do. But yeah, if you are into resin, this might work for you. But yeah, I want to see if I could get clay to work. But it's just so fine detailed that I don't know if it's going to work. So I'm going to have to give that a shot and see what happens. So that's everything for right now. I'll come back maybe tomorrow with the rest of my haul, and I think that's going to be it. I have no intention to go back to Hobby Lobby anymore. I don't think they're going to be putting anything else on clearance that I would see myself running out for. I'm pretty much at capacity right now with my items, so yeah, the next time I probably go would probably be for like fall clearance, but that's not going to be for a while, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and I did have somebody tell me that the Christmas stuff went to 50% off, which is amazing. That went on sale a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be because my store hadn't even finished unloading it the last time that I was in there. So for them to have not even put everything out and it's already at 50, I think is amazing. So if you're looking for some Christmas items, go head over to Hobby Lobby and see what you can find. And I think that's pretty much it. So all right guys, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.